Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to solve this fraction problem from SAT. So here's the question: which expression is equal to 4 divided by this 4x minus 5 minus this whole thing 1 over x plus 1, and then we have four options here. So here's our question. So what we're going to do is, remember, whenever we are trying to add or subtract fractions, we can add them or subtract them as long as the denominator, which is this part of the fraction, is the same in both. Okay, so what we can do here is we can leave the numerator as is for now, and then what we are going to do is we are going to make the denominator the same in both the fractions. So we're going to make this and this the same. So here we have 4x minus 5. So in order to make it the same, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply this with this number here. So x plus 1. And since I'm multiplying the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator with the same number as well. So I get x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1. And again, for this fraction as well, I'm going to make the denominator the same. So here I'm going to multiply it with the denominator of the other fraction, so 4x minus 5. So I'm just going to multiply it with 4x minus 5. And then I'm going to multiply the numerator with the same number, 4x minus 5. So this is what we did, is what we do with like simple fractions. So for example, if you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 7. So in order to get the same denominator, we'll multiply this with 7, this with 7, and then this with 2, and then this with 2. And then this would simply become 7 plus 2 divided by 14, and we'll solve it. So it's the same concept here as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add or subtract the numerator because the denominator is the same in both of them. So I'm just going to add the numerator now. Okay, so this just becomes 4 times x plus 1 minus 1 times 4x minus 5, and then this whole thing divided by 4x minus 5 times x plus 1. Okay, and now we are gonna simplify our numerator now. So here we have 4 times, in parentheses we have x plus 1. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply 4 with x and then 4 with 1. Similarly here we have minus 1, so we're going to multiply with 4x and then minus 1 times minus 5. So this is how you simplify it. So for example, if you have 2 times 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. It is the same as multiplying 2 with 3, so you get 6, and then 2 with 5 you get 10, so you also get 16. So it's the same concept here. Okay, so this just becomes 4 times x is 4x, so we get 4x plus 4, and then remember we have a negative sign here, so minus 1 times 4x is minus 4x, and then minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5. And the denominator stays the same, so 4x minus 5 times x plus 1. Okay, now let's simplify it further. So we have 4x minus 4x, so this cancels out, so we get 0 here. And then we have 4 plus 5, so we get 9 here. And the denominator, I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to simplify it because I see some options here where it's not simplified. So let's see if we already have a match. So 4x minus 5 times x plus 1. This is our answer. So let's see. Here, let's check the answer. So the first one is 9 is the numerator. So we have 9 as the numerator. And then denominator is x plus 1 times 4x minus 5. So we have 4x minus 5 times x plus 1. So it's the same. So option A is the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.